In Visual Components you can define a layout for your kitting setup. A kitting in the context of the multirobe project means having one or more AGVs which pick up a tray, or kit. Here a source for kits is defined. It is a kit storage. The amount of kits that are stored here is not defined in Visual Components, but later, in a domain-specific model. Already one AGV is defined. Here you see another AGV being imported. This kitting layout consists of two AGVs. The kits, or trays, contain parts for an assembly action. Every assembly action requires specific parts. That is why there are different types of kits. Each is defined by the specific type of parts that it contains. The content of the kits are defined in Visual Components. Here you see the definition of a kit. Two kits are defined. Also two kit storage facilities, two AGVs, two drop-off locations and several product storage facilities. Now it is time to generate an MXM file. This is a model file with a definition of the resources that are required to make a kitting planning. The model file is loaded into MetaEdit+. A graphical representation can be generated of the model. You are able to see all the defined elements like the kit storage facilities, the drop-off locations and the AGVs. The location of the drop-off objects was defined in Visual Components. This information is now also available in MetaEdit+. To make a kitting plan, the information from Visual Components is not sufficient. The model needs to be updated. Here the processing time per drop-off location is added to the drop-off objects. This is the time that it takes to process a kit. After this time the kit is left empty on the drop-off location and can be reused again. The objects can be dragged around and rearranged to facilitate the user. The kit definition is a graph. It can be opened as a diagram or a table. Here it is opened as a diagram. Every product type is defined in a product feature. The product feature also tells how many of these products are on the kit. Also the loading time is defined. This is the time to load the product on the kit. This time will be used in the kitting planner. This kit definition graph is opened as a table. Here the kit definition is connected to a kit storage. This means that empty kits of this particular type are stored in this location. Now the kit definition is connected to a drop-off location. This means that filled kits must be transported to this drop-off. The amount of kits must be given in the relation. Now connections between storage locations are defined. The thick dotted line means that the relation is a reachability relation. The AGVs can travel between elements if they are connected by a reachability relation. Every product storage contains one product type. The product types are already defined in the kit definition. Thus an existing product type must be chosen. A product type assigned to a product storage means that the AGV can pick up the product from this storage location to load it to a kit. There can be two types of relations between two drop-offs, a reachability relation and a sequence relation. Here both relations are defined. The sequence relation means that processing at any of the connected drop-offs cannot be done in parallel, so only one kit can be processed at a time. This is typically used if one robot is shared by both drop-offs. The relation signifies that the robot can work on only one kit at a time.